In a village where the night stars gleamed bright, lived two young souls who shared one light. Jack was daring, with eyes full of dreams. Louise was gentle, soft as moonbeams. Though they looked different, like sun and the moon, together they danced to a secret tune. No words could explain what their hearts truly knew, a bond so strong, forever true. One day a storm came, dark clouds in the sky, and fear spread like shadows that made spirits sigh. The village grew silent, with worries so deep, but Jack and Louise refused to weep. Together, said Jack, we'll find our own way, with courage and love we'll brighten the day. Louise just nodded, her heart beating fast, for this was a challenge they both would outlast. Through forests they wandered, past rivers that gleamed, finding new strengths they had never dreamed. Louise's calm kindness soothed wild beasts near, while Jack's bold spirit pushed past their fear. They faced many trials, with obstacles steep, but their bond was a fire they promised to keep. With every hard moment, their friendship grew strong, a dance of two hearts where both did belong. Differences don't divide us, Louise would say, but bring us together in a special way. Jack would grin with a sparkle so bright. Our hearts are a beacon that shines in the night. The village looked on, amazed and inspired, by two young friends who never tired. They showed all the people what love could do, by being themselves and being true. At last, when the storm finally passed, the village was peaceful and joy came at last. Jack and Louise stood hand in hand, their bond a wonder across the land. Though time will bring changes, as years flow and blend, their starry connection will never end. For some hearts are made to beat side by side, like two shining stars in a vast endless sky. So remember this story, both brave and sincere. True friendship and love will conquer all fear. When you find someone who makes your soul sing, hold on to that magic, it's everything.